Morning, dear student. Today is our English class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, lesson 8. Open your book, page number 56, lesson number 8. Page number 56, lesson number 8. Betty at the party. In this poem, we will see this poem is about a girl named Betty. Betty is a small girl, 4 years old. She had attended a party, and what happened with her in the party we will see in this poem. Before the poem, we have to do one activity. This activity, look at the pictures and answer the question that follow. We have to look this given picture carefully, and after we have to give this answer of this question. First, in these pictures we are seeing that one boy fallen from the cycle and others they are standing and laugh at this boy. What has happened to the boy? The boy had fallen from the bicycle. Second question, what are the other children doing? The other children are laughing at the fallen boy. What would you have done if you had been there? If anyone fall from bicycle and if our friend need any help, then we should help our friend. Look at the poem. In this poem, we will see what happened with Betty in the party. First paragraph. When I was at the party, said Betty, aged just 4, a little girl fell off her chair right down upon the floor, and all the other little girls began to laugh, but me, I didn't laugh a single bit, said Betty seriously. In the very first stanza, Betty was saying about party to her mother. The Betty saying, when I was at the party, said Betty. Betty ने कहा जब वो पार्टी में थी, a little girl fell off her chair right down upon the floor. एक छोटी सी लड़की थी जो चेयर से गिर गई और फ्लोर पर गिर गई. And all the other little girls began to laugh, but me, I didn't laugh a single bit, said Betty seriously. Betty told her mother when she was in party, one little girl fell from chair upon the floor. एक लड़की चेयर से गिर गई and all other little girls were laughing at her. और सारी लड़कियां थी जो उस पर हंस रही थी. But I didn't laugh. पर जो बैठी थी वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं हंसी. बैटी ने सीरियसली ये सब अपनी मदर को बताया. एंड सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. Why not, her mother asked her, full of delight to find that Betty, bless her little heart, had been so sweetly kind. Why didn't you laugh, my darling, or don't you like to tell I didn't laugh, said Betty. Because it was I that fell. In second paragraph, her mother asked her delightedly. In happiness, her mother asked her, why you didn't laugh? Her mother was thinking the Betty heart is very kind, so she didn't laugh. Her mother asked in happiness, why you didn't laugh, dear? Why didn't laugh you, my darling? Or don't you like to tell I didn't laugh? Then said Betty, because it was I that fell. उसकी मदर ने उसको पूछा कि आप क्यों बेटी तुम क्यों नहीं हंसी. उसकी मदर सोच रही थी कि ये कितनी काइंड गर्ल है. देन बेटी टोल्ड, आई डिडंट लाफ, मैं नहीं हंसी क्योंकि वो मैं ही थी जो चेयर से गिरी थी. इस पोएम में जो वो छोटी पार्टी में जो बच्ची चेयर से गिरी थी वो बेटी ही थी, इसलिए वह नहीं हंसी. in this poem, their delight. These words mean happiness. And exercise. First, fill in the blanks. First, a little girl fell off her chair. All the little girl began to laugh. Betty didn't laugh a single bit. Her mother asked her, "Why didn't you laugh, my darling?" Betty didn't laugh because it was she who fell. And this in this question we have to arrange this line according to the poem. There was a party. First, second, a girl fell from chair. Third, all were laughing at the girl. Betty didn't laugh because Betty said she was the one who fell. वह थी जो वहाँ से गिर गई थी. And how old was Betty? Question answer I will write on paper and I will send. Okay. देखो first question, how old was Betty? Betty was 4 years old. Why did the other little girls laugh? Because one small girl fell from chair, so all little girls were laughing. Why did Betty not laugh? Betty didn't laugh because she was the one who fell. Thank you.